Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monica. I make skincare, hair care, hairstyle and makeup related videos. So in today's video I've done this clean makeup look. It's trending nowadays and I thought of giving it a try, and this is how the look has turned out to be. So if you're a person who loves makeup but not too much and want like a natural, subtle, nude kind of makeup, then this one is appropriate for you. It's kind of no makeup look but a better version of it. So let's get started. So I've already washed my face and I'm going to apply a moisturizer. So this is my new purchase actually. This is from Plum. I've already used the Plum green tea one. It is a mattifying, more like a runny consistency. It's perfect for oily and acne prone skin. Currently my skin is little dry. I thought my skin needs more hydration, so I wanted to buy a new product. I got this from Trell has many beauty and makeup products, and at great discounted price. Actually, I've already shared about Trell on my channel, so I've bought all these products from Trell only. So firstly I've done the moisturization. As you can see, my skin is glowing and it is nicely hydrated. Next up, I'm going to use a sunscreen because sunscreen is a must if you're indoor or outdoor. Even if you're applying makeup, if you think that makeup product has some SPF of 15 or 20, that is not enough, guys. Or even your moisturizer might contain SPF of 15 or 20, but that isn't enough. So make sure to apply a sunscreen which has SPF of 50 or plus. And I'm going to blend it very well, and I'll give the link of all the products in the description. Don't worry, it will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check the description for the link and the product detail. Next, I'm going to apply a foundation. For this I've chosen Fit Me 330. It might look a shade lighter on screen, but I don't know why it looks like that on screen. It after sometimes after 5 or 10 minutes actually it get oxidized on my skin and matches my skin very well. So I'm going to dot it all over my face, and using a damp beauty blender I'm going to blend it well. So if you want to achieve a natural glowing skin like finish, use a beauty blender. If you want like a high coverage finish, use a brush. So a beauty blender makes sure that you don't apply excess product or your makeup doesn't look cakey. With a brush actually you tend to apply excess, and always use a damp beauty blender. Don't use a dry one, it should be damp. And if you want more extra coverage, you can layer, but at once don't apply lot of foundation. First just apply a little bit, and if you want more coverage you can apply even more and layer it up. So that's how you achieve a natural look. And now I'm going to highlight and contour. I'm not concealing. Concealing is you're using your skin tone color concealer to hide the blemishes and dark spots. Highlighting is using a lighter 1 or 2 shade lighter shade concealer to highlight the highest point of your face or under eyes, so that your face looks more brighter. And for contouring I'm using a darker shade. I'm not going to do my face contour, I'm just going to do my nose contour, make sure it looks natural. And if I do face contour, and definitely my face shape will be changed and it will give like a full glam look. So I'm going to do only nose contour. Here's a trick to make your makeup very natural looking and long lasting also. Just spray some makeup setting spray. I'm using the Blue Heaven one. It gives a dewy and glowing look and a very natural look. I'm going to apply it on a clean side of the beauty blender and dab it all over my face and remove the excess product and set the makeup in place. And after that, if you have very oily skin, you can use a loose powder or a compact powder like this. Make sure that it is your skin color so that it looks natural, and apply it wherever you usually tend to get more oily, on your T-zone, under your eyes, and set the makeup in place. And to give some color to my face, I'm using a peachy blush very lightly on my cheeks, and for eyeshadow I've taken a neutral palette. I'm going to use only matte shade, no shimmers, only matte. I've taken a very light brown shade and I'm going to place it my outer corner of my eyes and then very nicely blend it to my inner corner. So use a fluffy brush and make sure that you don't pick excess product, dust off the excess product and apply. And I'm taking a very light peachy shade and applying it all over my eyelid. It's more like my skin color but has a peachy undertone. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. After that, I've taken a very light pink shade and I'm going to place it center of my eyelid and blend it well, so it gives that highlight to my eyeshadow without applying any shimmery or glittery shades. And I'm going to apply the same shade which I use for my transition on my lower eyelid also, and then the highlighting shade, the light peachy shade, on my inner eyelids. So that's it. So make sure you blend your eyeshadow very well so that it looks natural, and that's it for this eyeshadow look. Now I'm using a spoolie to remove the excess product from my eyebrows, and here's a trick how I do my eyebrows. So I will take a kajal and just rub it in the spoolie and then apply it. So this is like a lazy girl hack, but it gives like a natural look, like you don't tend to overdo your eyebrows. This always works for me if I just want to get ready quickly and I don't want my eyebrows to look like on point, just to add some color and fill the gaps. That's it. And I'm using a eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to apply a clear mascara. This is from Wet n Wild, I think, and this helps to hold the lashes for a long time, because now we have used a curler, and if you want your lashes to be curled for a long time, you can first apply a clear mascara, and after that you can apply your normal mascara. And this one has to be my favorite. If you have never tried Essence mascaras, give it a try, you will love it. It's very affordable. All the mascaras are under 250 or 200, 300, you get it. And for a long time I was not able to find it. It was always out of stock. Then when I saw it on Trell, I went ahead and I bought all the variant that is available, because they have one for lengthening, for curling, and for adding that volume, and for long lasting stay. They are waterproof and all those things. So definitely try Essence mascara. If you haven't tried, you will not regret it at all. So I've used this Swiss Beauty lip liner all over my lips. It's a beautiful nude shade, and a little bit of a pink lipstick center of my lips, and that's it. And I really love how this makeup look has turned out to be. I hope you also liked it. If you did, give a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and do check out Trell for affordable makeup products. And I have a coupon code with them. You can use this coupon code MonicaC26 and get 20% discount on your purchase. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.